Yo guys, welcome dito sa aking YouTube channel, Spry the Blind Explorer TV. So, ayun, meron lang tayong game preview ngayon. Ang pangalan ng game is TTC. So, ayun, simulan natin. Wait lang, may ayusin lang ako. Ayan.
Use a screen reader when speaking. Allow menu play logo on. Allow menu wrapping. Allow menu play logo output sound. Return to main menu. Output sound to return to main menu. Configure settings.
So, ayan guys.
Configure settings. Help. Learn touchscreen test help. Configure settings. Learn game sounds. Test speakers. Play.
Our time is 5:30.
Ayan. Ano tayo dito? Uy.
You got ran over by a small but fast car. Play.
So, ayan guys.
Test speakers. Learn game configures help. Learn touchscreen exit. Play. Exit. Learn touchscreen gestures. Learn touchscreen gestures. Exit.
Pakita ko sa inyo dito yung
Play.
mga ano.
Exit. Learn touchscreen gestures. Exit. Play. Exit. Learn touchscreen gestures. Swipe left. Left. Swipe up. Up. Right side single tap. Swipe left. Right side single tap. J. Left side single tap. F. Bottom side single tap. Space. Top side 4 taps. F11. Top side triple tap. Back. Top side double tap. F10. Top side single tap. Right
So,
control.
ito yung ano.
Triple tap. Escape. Double tap. Enter. Triple tap. Double tap. Enter. Single tap. H. Diagonal swipe down right. Page up. Diagonal swipe down left. Page diagonal swipe up right. End. Diagonal swipe up left. Home. Swipe down. Down. Swipe right. Right. Swipe up. Up.
So, kung gusto nyo mag-back guys, ayan. So, play ulit
Help.
tayo.
Configure learn game sounds. Exit. Learn touchscreen gestures. Exit. Play. Test speakers. Play.
Oops. Alright.
150. 147.
Oop, may na-pick up tayo.
140. 140.
Oops, ano to? Pick up natin to?
138. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 131. 127.
Oops, yun lang.
The moving slide crashed against you. Play.
So, hanggang dito na lang muna guys ang ating video dahil ayun, hanggang dito na lang muna. At ayun, salamat sa inyong panonood. Abang-abang kayo sa aking next video dahil meron akong surprise sa inyo guys. So, abang-abang na rin kayo dyan guys. So, yun lang guys. See you in next video.
Back button.